Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another plan with me video. So I have been officially vegan for a month now, and I really want to try to make a vegan cake today, or this week in general, using the Just egg replacement. So I decided to do a baker's spread this week. So I'm going to be using the Agenda 52 Makers and Bakers sticker book, and it has so many cute stickers in here, and I love the color schemes of the oranges, the yellows, the pinks, and like the fuchsias and some blues in there. So that's going to be in my spread this week. So I have already pulled a lot of stickers and put it on my wax paper here so I can pull them off. And I was thinking, I know it's a Happy Planner sticker book that would complement it. So this side is all the Makers and Bakers sticker book from Agenda 52. In this side, I decided to use the Womankind sticker book. And I've used this quite a bit this year. And I was looking through it, there's some pages where it's pretty much nothing on there. So I've been doing a good job of using this one up. And this color scheme complements the Makers and Bakers sticker book so well. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be doing another BuJo spread. I think that's going to be my thing for my catch-all, and then my wellness is just going to be like a regular vertical layout or horizontal if I'm, feeling like doing that. So I have my paper here already. It has some gold foil and stuff at the top, but it's fine. It's not going to, interfere with the spread too much. I think I'm going to put some of the flowers around the edge first. I wasn't going to use scrapbook paper today, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that because I think that's cute. So I went to Tuesday morning this past weekend and picked up some of this cardstock here, and it was on sale for $2.99. So if you want some decorative paper, cardstock and stuff, definitely hit up Tuesday morning because they have everything, for the low. So I highly recommend doing that. So I'm just going to... I took one of the full pages like this and I cut it to size, and I'm just going to be fast forwarding this part because it's straightforward. All you have to do is measure it out with your ruler and just, glue it on your paper. So I'm going to be doing that. Okay, so this past weekend when I was like out and about, I stopped in Michael's, and I have been wanting the handwritten plans sticker book from the Happy Planner for about a month now. So it just has a bunch of words in here that are just helpful, like shopping, weekend, all of that. I just thought this was really good to have. So I'm going to use their first page, which is the days of the week. And I want this to be a playful spread. And I think the font is very, or the lettering is very playful and fun. So I'm going to use that for the days of the week. And for like the numbers for the days of the week, I'm going to use my Agenda 52 calendar sticker book. So this part is going to be sped up as well. It looks super cute with just this going on, but I want to tastefully add my baker's stuff on here because we got the days of the week, so that'll help me. Start putting some of these baking stickers on here. Life is yummy. I think that's cute. I might take that life is yummy off. It just depends. We'll see. I don't know about this life is yummy actually. We'll see. I'll take it off for now. Let's see how I want to do this. So I'm putting 2 this week's on here because, you know, I'm probably gonna need more than 4 slots. So this is turning out cute. I've been enjoying all of my spreads lately. Alright guys, so here's my final spread. Some of the stuff wasn't like filmed because my battery died and stuff. So I cut, this was like a big sticker like this, but I cut it in half and I put the bottom half on Thursday and then I kept the top on Friday. Just so I could have some more space to write down here. And we're good up here for writing because we can always write down here. And with these particular, like this cardstock here, it's light enough to where I can write on it and it not be an issue. And I can write on the pink as well. So here's my final spread. I think it's really, really cute. Y'all tell me what you think of it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your notifications and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.